Well, if you saw my video of a day or so ago, you would have seen the pond was absolutely devastated by heavy rain and the water had gone a dark greeny brown. So this morning there wasn't much change, it was still quite dirty. So this morning I put in a dose of this complete pond detox. Now, I did this a week or so ago where I was putting it in and I was doing a video on it. However, that got interrupted by all this stuff that came in with the wind and the rain. So we could call this day one again because it's starting from scratch. So as you can see, the pond is still dirty. So we will see how it alters over the next few days or week of using the detox. So keep watching. I'll see you in the next one and we'll see how the pond has improved, if it does. Don't forget, subscribe.